Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python print function or print method. Right, so first of all, we'll understand what is this print function. So print function in Python, it is used to print some data, text, message on output screen or console. For example, print of hello in single quotes, print 10 plus 20, mathematical operation, print sum is a variable, print hi, semicolon, print hello, semicolon, print welcome, semicolon. So basically in Python, text or string, it is represented in single quotes or double quotes, both are accepted. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python print function example1.py. So first take comments at the beginning of the program using hash. Comments are not compiled or not executed by Python compiler or Python runner. They just provide a description of a program. So first, okay, we'll take comments for all the remaining statements. So print hello, single quotes, semicolon is not required, it is not compulsory, provided if you are writing single statement in a single line. Right. So open the command prompt, go to the working directory where you have saved the program, and then run directly py. So Python print function example1.py. Hello is printed on the output screen or console. Next I will print 10 plus 20, a mathematical operation. Right, come to the command prompt, run the program. Answer is 30. 10 plus 20, 30. Next, I'll take two variables in Python, A11, B22. So here I'm using semicolon, which is compulsory because I'm writing two statements in a single line. And then I will calculate sum is equals to A plus B, print sum. Okay, so print sum, semicolon or delimiter is not compulsory because it is a single statement in single line. So sum 11 plus 23, 22, answer is 33. Right. So next I will write multiple print statements in a single line. So print hi, print hello, print welcome. So since we have multiple statements in a single line, delimiter semicolon is compulsory. Hi, hello, welcome. Okay, so this is how we are supposed to work with print function in Python. So basically in Python, variables are directly declared with names. Data types are not required. So A11, B22 data types are not required in Python. Next, print function in single line. Okay, so whenever we are writing print function in single line as single statement, then delimiter semicolon is okay, not compulsory. Okay, okay, right. So I'll write here multiple print functions in single line, then delimiter or semicolon is compulsory. Okay, so in print function we can perform mathematical operations or print variables like 10 plus 20 is a mathematical operation, sum is a variable. So we can do mathematical operations, we can also print a variable, it will print its value. So next important point, every print function prints the data in the next line. So here we have 6 print functions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So though we are writing multiple print functions in the single line, it is printing the data in the next line. So this is what is the speciality of print function. Prints the data on new line. So this is how we are supposed to work with print function or print method in Python programming. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.